Hello everyone, we are continuing with TypeScript Utility Type series, and today we're gonna go over the utility type required. Actually, this one is the opposite of the type partial, which I already have a video about, and the link in the description. So, let's say you have this interface image. It has required src property and optional alt property. Down below, we can create a constant with this interface without alt property. And then let's get image alt from this object. Its type is a union type between string and undefined, as you see. What if we want this object to always necessarily has an alt? In this case, we could use required here. Now we get an error that says that we don't have an alt. If we provide it, the error goes away. Let's check the type of image alt variable. It's just a string now. So basically what require does is remove all question marks from provided type. Let's check under the hood now. So here it takes all keys of the type T, removes question mark from them, and assign corresponding value to each one of them. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.